Okay, so this is part 2 where we're going to be cleaning down the strippers. I'm going to break this beard line on the workers, on both of mine, and I'll clean down the Swift and the Liquor Inn. And we'll go ahead and start that. You'll watch me clean this down, and Kira's going to do the same thing on the other 2 strippers and workers. This is the worker, and I'm just going to clean that beard just a little bit. And then I start to clean the stripper. And it takes a little bit to break that line, but once you do, it'll start. The angle is far better from the top. And then Kira's gonna go ahead and advance the Swift.
Turning?
Yep. Right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna keep advancing until we get the Swift cleared, and we'll come back toward the end. All right, so Kira's gonna go ahead and clean down the ionizer bar on top. And you just want to clean off any dust that might have collected. And then she's going to go ahead and advance the Swift. Okay, hold up. Okay, go ahead and advance a little bit more. And now you stop. Now you'll be able to see this stripper is just about cleaned off. And then we'll be working on the workers and the doffer. All right, so we'll come back and we'll do the part 3.